of banana, if you are making pies, you have to buy vanilla as well. And vanilla prices is not changed. If you are buying banana, you have to buy vanilla as well.
But sir, that's not very logical, because for a pie, there is a certain amount of recipe.
Yes.
So if you need to buy 2 bananas, you need to buy 3 packs of vanilla pudding. You cannot decrease the amount of vanilla pudding.
Same. So if price of banana increase, so what it will cost you? Would you increase the price of pies? If you increase the price of pie, your quantity goes down, right? It means your input prices goes up. When your input prices goes up, what is the demand? People demand from you not banana, not vanilla pudding. People demand from you your pies. So if you buy less banana,
you cannot change your recipe, or?
I cannot change my recipe, but I can change the quantity of pies to make. I can increase or decrease.
Yeah, but then the question should be, do I make like less pies, not do I buy less vanilla pudding?
Pies, it means you are buying less vanilla pudding, right? Oliver.
Yeah, right. Right.
So
but it doesn't.
Our main product is pies. If banana prices increase and we are not buying banana, it means we are not buying vanilla pudding as well. There's a recipe. These are complements. Pie cannot be completed without vanilla pudding and banana cream. Oliver, understand? So
but who will say that if there's a banana increase that you will want to sell less pies?
You will make less pies because your profit decreases. You are a seller of, you are making from scratch the pies.
But even if I make less pies, then I make less money. As a business, I don't want to make less money.
Maybe it's not like that you are only, the question is silent about you are only selling pies. Maybe you have other products as well. Maybe you closed on the pies business.
Okay.
Maybe go to other products. It's not like you are solely depend on making pies.
Well, then there's not enough information given, or?
But information says that the vanilla pudding and banana cream are complement. So if my ingredients of banana price increases, I will consume less banana in making pies, right? It means I will make less pies. Less means less banana needed and less vanilla pudding needed. It means the vanilla pudding, makers, their quantity demanded will decrease. And when they, go and find out why, and then they realize, okay, because banana prices increase, so this, factory owner or this seller stop, or decrease the quantity of pie. So that's why he don't require more vanilla pudding. He requires less vanilla pudding than before. Understand? Oliver.
I'm not sure if I understand that, because it's a necessity to have. It's how you said, it's related to each other, but it's also a necessity because of the recipe. It's like you drink 2 liters, you have to drink 2 liters of water each day. And if they rise the prices, you don't drink less water. It's a necessity to drink that amount of water.
It's not necessity. Pie is not necessity. You can live without pie. You can eat bread, you can eat sandwiches. But
okay.
My question is, okay, for example, we need 3 packs of vanilla cream. We need, for example, 3 bananas to make 1 pie. And 1 pie you are selling at $5, right? We say that, okay, 3 vanilla right, costing you $2, and banana is costing you, for example, $2 as well. So your profit is just 1. Now what happened? Price of banana rises and it becomes from 2 to 2.5. So previously your cost was 4 and now it's 4.5. Your profit is now decreased from $1 per pie to $0.5, right? So naturally, what would you do? You try to increase the price of pie so that your profit remains $1. Ideally, it should be 5.5. The question is silent. Why? Because if you increase the price of pies, quantity demanded of pies decrease, right? Because you want to earn that same dollar. Okay, let's discuss about this one. You just increase, you transfer that price increase to consumer 5.5. Now what happened? You increase the price of pies to 5.5 and your quantity demanded decreases. So your previously you were making 30 pies. Now your quantity demanded decreases to 20. So you will make 20 pies to satisfy customers. So it means you need to make 20 pies. Previously you were making 30 pies and now you are making 20 pies. So making 20 pies need 30 worth of vanilla cream or just 20 worth of vanilla cream. There's a specific recipe. You cannot increase the amount of vanilla cream in 20 pies. That is what for 30 pies. So when you are purchasing from your supplier vanilla cream, you will say that, look, my quantity demanded decreases to 20. So previously I was asking 90 packs of vanilla cream for making 30. And now I only require 60 packs of vanilla cream. Now that person who is selling you vanilla cream, he will be shocked and he will say that, look, the price of vanilla cream is the same, $2, 3 packs. Why you decreases this demand from 90 to 60? Answer is increase in the price of banana. Vanilla pudding, nothing has to do with the banana business. And then we realize that because price of banana increases, it causes quantity demanded of vanilla pudding to decrease. So this condition is for complement. Oliver, understand?
Yeah, I understand now.
Okay, Priscilla, you just mentioned plus sign. What is this mean by plus sign?
No, I mistakenly pressed it.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe you want to add something or something. Okay. Let's move forward. So our answer is A, because price of banana increases, causes quantity demanded for vanilla pudding to decrease. And this is the condition for if price of product A decreases, causes increase in demand of other product. We call this complement. So this is the opposite. If price of product 1 is increased, causes demand for other product to decrease. This is complement product. Okay, now we will talk about the market force of supply. And now we will talk about how much power the seller has. We talked about the power of buyers. If buyers are able and willingly to purchase the goods, then which factors affect their demand, curve, their behavior, expectation, taste, price of related goods, right? We talked about that. And now the law of supply. So who creates supply? Sellers. It means sellers determine the supply curve. So let's talk about the law of supply. Law of supply states that other things equal, quantity supplied of a good rises if the price of the product increases. So naturally, if the price is rising, you supply more. So think of yourself right now as you are the owner of the business. If the price of your product is increasing, you want to produce more, right? But remember, there's one point in the law of supply, other things equal. And why is that? Because we assume that people are rational, then sellers are also rational. It's not like that. Even if the price is decreasing and you are producing more, right? There are some times when there is market battle, a price war between two companies. Then what happened? Even though the price is decreasing, but they start to produce more and sell in the market to capture the market, right? So that is irrational behavior. You don't see this kind of behavior more often. So that's why we see that other things equal, other things constant, ceteris paribus. So these kind of stuff. So what is supply schedule? It is, even if there is no word supply written here, even then you can determine that this table is supply or demand. How? If you see the price here, price is increasing, and you see the quantity also increasing. So this must be the case of that this is quantity supplied. You see price increases 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.53. So you see 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this must be the case that this table would be supply schedule. And if you draw this on a map, so recall our discussion regarding how to create map. So x-axis, we define x-axis, one interval is equal to 1, and on y-axis we determine one interval is 0.5. But remember that on y-axis every point must be of equal, and on every axis when we mention 1, the difference between every individual point should be 1. So you see it's a plus 1. It's a plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4, right? So there is only 1. And here 0.5 plus 0.5, 1. 1 plus 1.5, 1.5. 1.5 plus 0.5 is 2, right? So we just make a graph here, and if you draw this graph, you see here, what did you notice here? Supply curve is upward sloping, right? Started from the bottom and going up, right? Started from the bottom and going up. So this is called supply curve. While if you refer back to the demand curve, we started from up and go down. This is demand. Supply, start from here and go up. Understand? So this satisfies the law of supply. You see price increase from 2 to 2.5. So quantity supplied increase from 3 to 4. It means this perfectly satisfies the law of supply. So hence